is Saturday, April the 24th, and so I decided to come out this morning. It's going to be too windy to go out in the boat, so we're going to do some kayak fishing here. I can hide behind the mangroves. It's a beautiful morning. Thank you, dear Lord Jesus. I got something big on my pinfish. I don't know what it is, but it's fun. Oh my goodness, it's got to be a shark to pull this much. Let's see if we can get a view of it. Yep, it's got to be a shark. What else can pull like this? Oh my goodness, it's a giant red. Thank you, my Lord. That's a real big one. Just let him get tired. Let him get tired. He's got to be so big. I thought it was a shark. Okay, come on. Bring him over here. Oh my goodness, that's got to be the biggest one I've ever got. Just let him get tired. Let him get tired. He's right there. Come on, buddy. Bring it up on my net. Oh. Bring you up on my net. Oh, yes. He is huge. Oh, Lord, thank you. This is so much fun. Oh, my goodness. He is a monster. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Alright, he went underneath the kayak. Get my net ready. Come here, buddy. He doesn't even fit in the net. He's so big. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that is a beautiful fish. All right, let's take a measurement.